আউযুবিল্লাহি মিনাশ শাইতানির রাজিম বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আমি সৈয়দ মোহাম্মদ নাজমুল হোসেন মামুন। হচ্ছে আমি মানে টোটাল সলিউশনের কনসাল্টিং ফার্মের আর কি আমি নিজে স্বত্বাধিকারী। তো আমার এই ফার্মে এখানে লিগাল, তারপরে ইনকাম ট্যাক্স, ভ্যাট অ্যান্ড রেজিস্টার্ড জয়েন্ট স্টক কোম্পানি অ্যাফেয়ার্স রিলেটেড কাজগুলো আমরা এখানে আইন যে যে মানে প্রচলিত যে আইন আছে সেই আইন অনুযায়ী সমাধান দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করি। তো টোটাল সলিউশনের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদেরকে সকলকে শুভেচ্ছা ও ধন্যবাদ। লিগ্যাল কাজে, তারপরে ইনকাম ট্যাক্সের তো এটাও লিগ্যাল, এটা আয়কর আইন এখন অর্ডিনেন্স হিসেবে আছে। তারপরে ভ্যাটের ভ্যাটের আইন অনুযায়ী, তারপর কোম্পানি যেটা অ্যাপার্স কোম্পানি রেজিস্ট্রেশন, ওখানেও কোম্পানি আইন অনুযায়ী এটা কার্যক্রমগুলো সম্পাদন করা হয়। আর যেগুলো লিগাল যেমন অফিসারি মামলা, এটা কোর্টের মাধ্যমে সমাধান করা হয়। তো আমরা একজন পেশা মানে আইনজীবী হিসেবে আর কি কাজ করতেছি আর কি। তো আপনাদেরকে সহযোগিতা দেওয়ার জন্য এখন আমি যে ট্যাক্সের তথ্যপত্র নিয়ে আলোচনা করব, মানে পড়বো আর কি, নিজে শেখার জন্য চেষ্টা করব, মানে যত পড়বো তত নিজের মাথায় ঢুকে থাকবে আর কি। তো এখন আজকে যেটা পড়বো আর কি, জুরিসডিকশন অফ ইনকাম ট্যাক্স অথরিটিস। তো এটা আমি পড়ি। আমার প্ল্যান আছে আজকে অনেকগুলো পড়বো। এটা অর্ডিন্যান্সটা একটু পুরাতন, নতুনটা কিনা হয় নাই, নতুনটা বের হলে কিনবো আর কি। তো অর্ডিন্যান্সের অনেক সবগুলো তো চেঞ্জ হয় না, কিছু কিছু চেঞ্জ হয়, তখন এখান থেকে আলোচনা করা হয়। তো পড়ি। এটা jurisdiction of income tax authority, one subject to the provision of this ordinance. 1A, the senior commissioner of taxes shall perform such functions as may be assigned to him by the board. Double A, the Director General of Inspection shall perform the following functions, namely 1. Carry out inspection of income tax cases. 2. Investigate or causes investigation to be carried out in respect of case involving leakage of revenue or evasion of taxes. 3. Carry out audit of cases of offices involving income tax revenues only. 4. Furnished annual report about the working of income tax offices dealing with revenue matters to the board by the 31st day of December following the end of the fiscal year to which it relates. And 5. Such other functions as may be assigned to them by the board. AAA, Director General of Central Intelligence Cell shall perform the following functions, namely এটা AAA1, carry out intelligence and work to gather information about taxpayers. to analysis information gathered through intelligence work, vice concern income tax records. 3. Detect tax evasions, concealment of income, and offences as described in chapter 21 of Income Tax Ordinance 1984. 4. Carry out investigations to prove tax evasion or concealment or any other irregularities relating to taxes and to collect evidences in support of tax offense or tax frauds for recovery of tax with penalty, and to suggest prosecution in fit causes. 5. To carry out functions as authorities by any other law. Say B, the commissioners appeals and the appellate joint commissioner shall perform their function in respect of such areas or such performs or classes of performs or such causes or cases or such income or cases of incomes as the board may assign to them. Double B, the commissioner, a large taxpayer limit, shall perform his function in respect of such area or such person or classes of person or such cases or classes of cases or such incomes and classes of income as the board may assign to him. C. The inspecting joint commissioner and the deputy commissioner of taxes shall perform their function in respect of such area or such person or classes of person or such cases or classes of cases or such income or classes of income as the commissioner to whom they are subordinate may assign to them, and the other income tax authorities shall perform such function as may be assigned to them by the income tax authority to whom they are subordinate. 2A. Any area or other jurisdiction or function assigned to an income tax authority under the section 1 may be modified and varied or may be transferred to any other income tax authority with respect to areas, persons or classes or persons or cases or classes of cases or proceeding or classes of proceeding. B. 2 of B. Any such transfer as is referred to in classes or may be made at any stage of another proceeding, and further proceeding may be connected from the stage at which such transfer take places. Three, where more income tax authority than on have been assigned the same function in respect of any area or persons or classes of a person or cases or classes of cases or incomes or classes of income they shall perform those function in accordance with the such allocation or the distribution of work as the authority assigning the function may make for the power of the board functions and deputy commissioner of taxes to assign any case to any authority or to transfer any case from one authority to another and to perform any function or functions under the section shall include the power of in respect of all or any proceeding relating to such cases and except as provided in such section 5 no such assignment transfer or performance of a function shall be called in question by or before any court or other authority. By any person aggrieved by any person aggrieved by any other person under this section may within 30 days of such order make a representation to the inspecting joint commissioner of to the inspecting joint commissioner if the under was passed by a deputy commissioner of taxes. B to the commissioner if the under was sorry for that. Again I did this point to the inspecting joint commissioner if the order was passed by a deputy commissioner of taxes. B to the commissioner if the order was passed by an inspecting joint commissioner, and C to the board if the order was passed by a commissioner and any other and any order passed on such representation shall be final. 7 exercise of jurisdiction by successor, where in respect of any proceeding under this ordinance and income tax authority is succeeded by another, the income tax authority to succeeding may continue the proceeding from the stage at which it was left by his preceding that of PD so 8 officers etc to follow the instructions of the board. All officer and other person engaged in the performance of any function under this ordinance shall in the matter of discharging this function observe and follow such order, direction and or instruction as the board may issue from time to time, provided that no order, direction or instruction shall be given so as to interfere with the discretion of the appellate joint commissioner or the commissioner appeals in the exercise of their appellate functions. 9. Sorry, now I go. Sorry for that. I have some needs to go to my my kitchen room. So for that, sorry. Guardians to the Deputy Commissioner of taxes, etc. in the course of any proceedings under the ordinance. The Deputy Commissioner of Taxes may be assisted, guided or instructed by any income tax authority to whom he is subordinate or any other person authorized in this behalf by the board. 10. Exercise of assessment function by the inspecting joint commissioner and the inspecting additional commissioner. The commissioner may, with prior approval of the board by general or a appeal order in writing, direct that in respect of all or any proceeding relating to satisfied cases or classes of cases or a specified person of classes of persons within his jurisdiction on the powers and function of the Deputy Commissioner of Taxes, the inspecting joint commissioner, the inspecting additional commissioner, and the commissioner under this ordinance shall be exercised by the inspecting joint commissioner, the inspecting additional commissioner, the commissioner, and the board, respectively, and for the purpose of any proceedings in respect of such cases or person. Reference in this ordinance and rules made thereunder to the Deputy Commissioner of Taxes, the inspecting joint commissioner, and the inspecting additional commissioner or the commissioner shall be deemed to be references to the inspecting joint commissioner, the inspecting additional commissioner, the commissioner, and the board, respectively. Thanking you and best regards from Syed Mohammad Nazmul Hussain and from Shonagazi TV. Allah Hafiz. Allah bless you. And now I try to read next chapter for you and yours. Thank you very much.